Go to Member Admin. Select Configuration. Click OK. Click on the respective expenses setting checkbox. Expense name is not available. Go to Tools Utilities. Select Member-to-Member Expense Transfer. Select the respective member. Select the respective period. Select the respective member name to transfer. Select the respective period. Click on Transfer. Go to Member Admin. Select Configuration. Click OK to verify your data. Click on the respective expenses setting checkbox. You will see your expenses name. Kindly verify your data. You can delete expenses name by clicking on respective checkbox. To delete, click on Save. Referring to the dialog box, click Yes to save. Your records are saved successfully. Click OK. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.